Hey everybody, and welcome back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft, another unboxing Amazon video. Today's focus will be folding utility blades. So let's check it out. We also got I think there should be a flashlight in there. Today I'm going to be a freak and use the the Gerber Bear Grylls survival knife. All right, let's check it out. We'll start off with the small package first. And let's see what we got here. Oh, and that the Husky came in its own package. So we got a Husky, and it is pretty husky. All right, next package. Okay, we got the Gerber EAB Light folding utility blade. Let's try and keep these in the camera here. We got, oh, the Milwaukee Fastback. Okay, so there's the 3 utility blades I grabbed, and we got a new EDC flashlight here. Let's check it out. The Cryket by Nebo Cryket, the most versatile COB work light and spotlight with 90-degree swivel head. Let's crack it open. Well, let me just give you a look at the box here. Really nice packaging. Features: 250 lumen white LED spotlight, 250 lumen COB LED floodlight, 15 lumen red light for night vision, light power memory setting, direct to red light feature, 90-degree swivel head, steel belt pocket clip. Oh, powerful magnetic base. Boom. This might be my new EDC light. Anodized aircraft grade aluminum, water and impact resistant, and powered by 4 AAA batteries, and they are included. Oh, wow. This will be the first light that I ever got with a swivel head. Now, that might be a little bit too big for EDC. Oh, that's a hefty light. That's the inside of it. So got a nice foam in there. Okay. So there you go. There's the swivel. So now you got the straight up flashlight. And let's just test it. Let's get a tin here. Not bad. Not bad. It's hanging from a tin. So there you go. I like that feature. Okay, let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, yes. That is nice and bright. Whoa. I like that. Let me shut the light off here. Check that out. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the direct to red feature. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you just basically click through until you get it. I like that. That's super cool. I'd rather have that than the SOS feature. That's a neat light. That's super cool. So that's the Nebo Cryket. Again, there's a look at it there so you can see it in my hand. It's a fair size flashlight. I'll give you a comparison to the O-Light that I swap in my EDC. So there you go. That's the difference right there. But still a nice size flashlight regardless. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. I'll do a little review on all these different blades, these folding blades, in another video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show off this beautiful Nebo Cryket flashlight here. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications button, and stay tuned, because coming up next week, I just checked the email. It's sitting over in Stony Creek. That's right. My next gear pack video will be coming up. I think this one is the knot box. The knot box. And from what I hear, it was worth the wait. Okay? A friend of mine's already gotten his and already cracked it open. He didn't want to spoil it for me, and I appreciate that. But he said it's worth the wait. So, that's coming up. Reviewing these is coming up. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for checking out the videos. See you next time.